Hi, my name is Darren Steinman. I teach journalism at Salina Central High School. I am in my second year of the Transition to Teaching program. In fact, this is my last class in the program, so yay me. I'm excited to be wrapping this up and to get into just teaching and not have to worry about being a student anymore. About me, I'm married. I have four children. I have five grandchildren. I enjoy traveling. I enjoy outdoor activities like hiking, skiing, fishing, things like that. Um, my long and short term goals. Let's see. Short term, I think one of my goals is to really get my curriculum straightened out, and I know that's what this course is about. So hopefully this will be helpful for that. But I've kind of been putting it together myself since I started 2 years ago, and so it's kind of been a work in progress. But coming up with your own curriculum and your own lesson plans is challenging to say the least. For my long-term goals, I would say to continually be revising my lesson plans and my curriculum so that they are more and more interactive, interesting, fun for the students, but still educational, and just get to a place where I really feel great about every lesson that I'm doing. Let's see what I hope to learn from this course. Again, what you're teaching is obviously so important, and I just want what I'm teaching to be fun, interesting, interactive, engaging, and I'm looking forward to this class because I think that it can help me with that. So, thanks for listening, and I look forward to seeing your video. Have a good day.